Hey, how you doing there, Miss Sharon? This is Leo. I talked to you earlier on the phone, and this is the screencast video I have for you. What I'm doing is going over a couple of things here on you all's page, and I love the layout of you all's page. I love the way it flows. The only thing is, it is missing content. What we like to see is about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page of content. And then after that, we like to see about 500 to 750 words on every page behind it. We've got, the about us, residential roofing, commercial roofing, all those things. We'll get in there and add 500 to 700 words in here of content. And what that does is that helps Google and the Google algorithm push your company higher up in the Google listings. Now, if you like to see here against your competition, they're about in the same boat. They don't have a lot of content either. Not liking like what we need to do is get that phone number, get it bolded, and get it out front. This right here, I would take, highlight it, put it in big bold box here because if someone's searching your site, they're trying to get that phone number and they're trying to get in touch with you. So you want to make that visible. That's another thing I would change. But they are lacking content as well. Their back pages, about, contact, things like that. I mean, there's like 50 words there. So what we could do here is outrank them, and we could get above them simply by adding more content in here. And it's not just regular content that you add. There's specific things that you need to look at. Here is a tool I use. It's Ahrefs, and I've got you and your number one competitor. If you search roofing Henderson, Kentucky, as you see, the ads pop up first, but then here inside the local map listing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're about 9 or 10 down in the rankings, which is not bad. You're on the first page, but you definitely want to try to be in those top 3. Now, we've got your site here, and this is the strength of your site and the trust of your site. And you want these numbers to be pretty even, 5 and 5, 10 and 10. This is out of 100. But the closer to 1, the better ranking this is for your website. Now, they're a 7 and a 2.1 with their strength and their trust. You've got 59 backlinks, and they've only got 11. But there's a difference in backlinks. Just because you have more backlinks, this doesn't work like content. Because they have more backlinks, or because you have more backlinks, doesn't mean that you will rank higher. It is the quality of the backlinks, not the quantity. And a very extreme example of that is a backlink is where your website, your URL is on another site that can be clicked and links back to yours. That's a backlink. An extreme example of that is you would think someone's got 59 backlinks versus 11 would outrank them. And I'm not saying this is what you've done, but this is an extreme example. So say you went to a Pizza Hut and left a review and left your website in the comments. That would be a backlink to your site, but it would have no power as versus say these guys went to a roofing blog that had a lot of power to that site, a lot of strength and a lot of trust, then that backlink would be very powerful. Now, what I do is I get in here with this tool and I see where their backlinks are. I know exactly where they get these backlinks from, and you do too. So what you can do is go in here, mimic what they do, and get backlinks from the same exact spots that they get them. And not only that is I have a couple connections with backlinks that I've worked with over the years that will throw me backlinks in there that will help power your site. So we went over content, we went over the URDR, which is the strength and the trust of your site, and the backlinks and citations. Citations right here, as you see, is yellow pages, white pages, Yext, yep, anything that you can put your NAP in, N-A-P, name, address, phone number. So you can go to yellow pages and put in Gilford and Sons Roofing. Make sure the address is the same. Make sure the number is the same, and boom, there you go. You've just got yourself a citation. Now I'm sure your web guy has went over all this stuff with you. I just wanted to shoot you a video just to kind of help you out with a few things that I've seen that is lacking as far as SEO. Not only do we build websites, but we do SEO too, and that is search engine optimization. And what we do is we do these amongst many other things that we can do that I've already seen with your site that we can add to it to get you higher up in the Google listing. That way you can turn more traffic and in return make more money. My name is Leo Arona. Again, I'm the owner of Arona Marketing. My cell phone number is 270-841-3600. My email is leo@aronamarketing.com. I'd love to get some feedback from this video I shot for you all. Like I said, totally free. All I ask is that you please just send me an email or a text and reply and let me know what you thought about this video. I spoke with Miss Sharon. I understand you already have someone else, but maybe this can help them, or if they're not doing what you need them to do, I would definitely be available to help you all out. So again, my name is Leo Arona. You all have a blessed day, and thank you.